Hi guys, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Thank you so much for logging on today. Today's a Sunday. I don't normally film these on a Sunday, but because we're having a dinner from the Weight Watchers app that I'm really excited, I haven't made it before, I thought I may as well bust the camera out. And I point every day anyways, as you guys know, so it doesn't really matter what day I film them on. But for the first time in many moons, we are not having a roast dinner this Sunday. We had one during the week, as you guys will have seen. It was delicious. I really enjoyed it. So today we're going to go for something different, and I think we're going to have like a meatball recipe that I'm really excited about. But before I think about that, I actually need to nip to the supermarket because we need quite a few things, and also I want to pick up some berries and some fresh fruit for breakfast. So that's the plan. Let's go, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to comment down below and give this a thumbs up if you would like to see more of these. If you like them, a comment, I know to keep them coming, so make sure you do that down below. I always answer my comments. So thank you so much for watching, and let's crack on. I've just got back from Aldi and Tesco, and it's actually got a little bit later now, so I'm going to have my breakfast very quickly because it's pretty much lunchtime and I am hungry. But I wanted the berries that I bought this morning, so I'm quite excited about them. Plus I got a different flavour of yoghurt that I want to try, but I'm only going to have a bit because it's like lunchtime in 45 minutes. I'm going to go for this one that I've just picked up from Aldi. It's a broccoli, raspberry, cranberry and blueberry yoghurt, and to go with it I've just got some fresh raspberries, which are obviously free. I got some strawberries. I don't have strawberries very often, if I'm honest. So, you know, it's a nice change for me to have some strawberries. And I also picked up some blueberries as well. I did look for blackberries, but they didn't have any. So I'm going to have 78 grams, which is 4 pints. For lunch, I've decided to have some of this chili bean and rice soup from M&S. I've never had this before, but it sounds right up my street. So I'm going to track that in a moment. And I also have a vegetable samosa that I got from the deli at Tesco. There isn't any way to track this barcode, so all I've done is I've used an Aldi samosa guide. They're the same size. I'm guessing that they're not that much different in calorie value, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm just going to now track the soup. I did check it at M&S when I was there, and I think it was like 4 points for half a tub. Yeah, 4 points. That's going to be 8 points for lunch. Perfect. Recipe that we're going to have for dinner tonight is from the Weight Watchers app, of course, and it's the boodles with harissa meatballs. I love cooking with harissa, and we use harissa paste a lot. It just gives everything a really lovely kick. And then in this picture they've done a spiralized butternut squash, but I'm going to use courgette, and I think Andrew may have it with rice or chips or whatever he prefers. But I'm really excited to make this, and as you can see it's 4 points. So as you can see I have my courgette here, which has already been spiralized. I don't have a spiralizer, so I buy it pre-done. I know it's lazy. I have some fresh basil, some unwashed spinach, a red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, some peppers, which the recipe doesn't call for, but I like to just load in where I can. An aubergine, again not called for, but it's all about experimenting, and obviously these won't add anything to the point value. I have a couple of mushrooms as well. And the recipe also calls for some oil. You can use a calorie controlled spray if you want. I use organic olive oil. 2 tins or cans of the chopped tomatoes. These are the Aldi ones. Some Bart harissa paste, which I get from Tesco. Some dried coriander leaves. Some cumin. And I also have some fresh coriander in the fridge that I'm going to sprinkle on top. Salt and pepper. And of course some stock as well. dinner. It doesn't look as tasty as the other recipes that I've done, but it smells incredible and I'm sure it'd be absolutely fantastic. I probably didn't actually need the courgette, but I had it out, so I thought I may as well make use of it. I also have an Aldi flatbread, which is 3 points. The cheese was 2 points. This takes us up to a grand total of 9 points altogether for this really lovely big bowl of meatballs, vegetables, bread and cheese. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm going to go and tuck in. So I've just finished dinner, and honestly, I know I can say this every time, it was delicious. Had a kick to it, hence the nose is pretty red. I've been wiping it because I've been like, it's not been too spicy. Like, I can handle quite a lot of spice, but it was just so much flavour and aromatics, and there was just loads of stuff going on that my nose was running, but it wasn't spicy, it was weird. But I adored it. I ate the whole bowl, like the whole bowl. I wasn't expecting to, but it did. It was delicious. It was so nice. So I would definitely recommend that recipe if you're part of the Weight Watchers app. Make sure you go and check it out. And I have points left over, so I might have a treat later, I may not. Right now, I can't even think about even having anything else to eat, but if I do, I'll update you. If not, I'll end things here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and of course, if you are new to my channel, hi. I hope you decide to stick around to see more from me when it comes to Weight Watchers content, what I eat in a days, favorites videos, beauty reviews, hauls, all that jazz. There's something for everyone, so I hope you all join. Comment down below, give this a thumbs up. It lets me know to record more of these for you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.